Hi there, Mark from the multi-award winning Future Toolbox here, and just want to say a huge thank you on behalf of Jules and myself to the sixth form students of Sponne School in Towcester today for an amazing welcome, your respect and participation in today's Further Your Independence workshop. So just a reminder, we looked at ways to become an independent learner, which involves open-minded thinking, planning and research. Don't forget to use those tools that we share with you today, guys. We use them in our business all the time and they're absolutely fantastic. So a big thank you for your understanding with technology and restrictions, but that's always a lesson in life, that these things are always there to test them, and it's not about the test, it's about the response. So thank you everybody for that. Don't forget to go onto our website, onto our student zone. You can download loads of resources and see how some of the techniques work. There's also follow us on social media and go to our YouTube channel as well for some great resources. Thank you very much everybody, stay safe, have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you all again soon.